the districts of Busoga, district local government leaders who are here, speakers of districts of Busoga, youth leaders, bishops, opinion leaders, fellow leaders, and the people of Busoga, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Chisa Stephen Bakubalwayo. I'm the Member of Parliament representing Luka South, but also Dr. Rebecca Itwala Kadaga for second National NRM Vice Chairperson female in the Central Executive Committee of the NRM Party. Today is not just another day in our political calendar. We gather as the proud sons and daughters of Busoga to speak with one voice, a voice of truth, unity, gratitude, and purpose. A voice to endorse our own, our lioness, our shield, our seasonal leader, the Right Honorable Dr. Rebecca Itwala Kadaga, for the position of second National Vice Chairperson female on the Central Executive Committee of the mighty party, the National Resistance Movement. Who is Kadaga to Busoga and Uganda? Kadaga is not a stranger to the struggles and aspirations of the people of Busoga and Uganda. For decades, she has served with distinction as a Member of Parliament, a Minister in the Central Government of Uganda, a Deputy Speaker of Parliament of Uganda, a Speaker of Parliament of Uganda, senior leader in the NRM party at the level of second National Vice Chairperson of NRM party, and a historical member of the NRM, a position for which we gather here to declare the support of Busoga for Kadaga and rally all the people of Busoga behind her candidature. She has carried the dreams of Busoga and Uganda on her shoulders. Through her influence, Busoga has seen the birth and growth of major development projects that serve Uganda, such as Jinja City, Busoga University, municipalities, roads, health centers, the emancipation of the girl child of Busoga and Uganda, our empowerment of the youth, among others. She has demonstrated reliability, efficiency, dependability, and availability as a leader of Busoga on matters of Busoga and beyond. Her leadership brought visibility, dignity, esteem, and respect to Busoga and Uganda. As the first woman from Busoga to hold the position of Speaker of Parliament, she showed Uganda and Africa at large that a woman can lead at the highest level. Her loyalty to the NRM is unquestionable. Her contributions to the stability of Busoga Kingdom are unmatched by anybody. She is our daughter, a daughter of Busoga, and for these reasons that we stand here on behalf of all the people of Busoga to declare the consolidated support of Busoga for Kadaga for the seat of second National Vice Chairperson of the mighty NRM party. Why does Busoga need Kadaga in SEC now more than ever? That is the question. Why does Busoga need Kadaga in SEC now more than ever before. Fuero Busoga and the people in Busoga. SEC is the topmost governing organ of the ruling party, responsible for the overall governance of the country. It is the organ where key influencing decisions that affect distribution of resources across the country are made. Over the past years, Right Honorable Dr. Kadaga has demonstrated a reliable voice, a defender for the marginalized, a mobilizer of development, a negotiator of development interest, a role model for Busoga and Uganda. Kadaga's continued presence on the Central Executive Committee of NRM guarantees that our region remains a priority in the national budgeting. Our region remains a priority in infrastructure expansion and social service delivery. At the table, she requires no briefs to champion the Busoga of our dream, but the consolidated support of all the people of Busoga. It is on this basis that we gather as sons and daughters of Busoga to pronounce ourselves with a regional endorsement of Right Honorable Dr. Rebecca Litwala Kadaga as the official nominee of Busoga for the position of second national vice chairperson of the NRM party in the forthcoming party elections due for August. What if Kadaga is not on the SEC? What happens? As earlier noted, the voice of Busoga in SEC is a very important one for us now than ever before. Busoga is currently at the stage of revival and is undertaking consolidated efforts of rebuilding across all sectors of growth through the Busoga Consortium for the Development as a development vehicle that was sanctioned by Busoga Kingdom, all local governments of Busoga, the Interreligious Council, and all the people of Busoga. Amidst the ongoing efforts, the absence of Kadaga will mean that Busoga will be orphaned, with no representation on the decision-making table in the Central Executive Committee. This will result into a more weakened region of Busoga, a more vulnerable sub-region, dependent on the mass of leaders from other regions for decision-making in SEC, and a voiceless sub-region at the national decision-making table. In other words, Busoga will be at its weakest ever since independence in terms of influencing decision-making at the center. And therefore, I want to appeal to all the people of Busoga and Uganda. A choice against one of our own as Busoga region will be seen as a betrayal of Busoga. Equally, a choice against Kadaga at the national level will be manifested as a nation's betrayal. With Kadaga in the race for second national vice chairperson of the NRM Mighty Party, all the people of Busoga are compelled to choose the choice of Busoga. Our prayer is that none of us as people of Busoga will be seen go down the tunnels of history for betraying Busoga during this election. Therefore, as I conclude, it is our responsibility as leaders to think correctly and make the right judgment in the best interest of posterity of Busoga and Uganda at large. The rest of the positions, including members of parliament, local government elections, among others, shall be discussed when time comes. Today, we are on SEC only. Therefore, in the presence of our elders who are here, members of parliament, our youth, our religious leaders, cultural leaders, on behalf of the leaders and the people of Busoga region, we officially pronounce the Right Honorable Dr. Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga as the most qualified, most tested, and most deserving candidate for the position of second national vice chairperson female on the NRM Central Executive Committee. We pronounce the Right Honorable Dr. Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga as the official nominee of Busoga for the second national vice chairperson of the NRM party. Ladies and gentlemen, the people of Busoga and Uganda, let us all go out and campaign for her. Let us remind our people that when you vote Kadaga, you vote Busoga. When you vote Kadaga, you vote Uganda. Busoga for Kadaga, Kadaga for Busoga, and Busoga for Museveni. Obusoga okwisana nyaman for God and my country.
Olunaku olwaleero lwandawulo. Muli wano mwena muli bakukunavu. Sebo chairman Kisa abantu abali wano bali mu categories edendawulo. Kizibu ino okwagana abakulembeze. Ate ni bana abalonde n'abalondebwa abendawulo. Kubanga bano bakwekebwa, bawuyizibwa, baterekebwa. Tosobola kujja atwala kagoma eno n'agitava mu kalulu kano. Ndi omuntu ava ku line yaninirawo emmotoka. Twababonanga nkera bankweka ku chairman wange namubona kulwakulonda. But see what the Lord has done. Chairman Gwembaire nindanga ali wano. Ndikwenda okwandulira abantu na tweno tuli wano. Bano bona Stefano lukuba lwayo. Oyo historical ya nominating mama n'emiti ekololo egy'amasanalaze nga girigiti yafukumula oluzungu ate musomesa. Era olunaku olwaleero n'ajja otwandulira mu butongole ng'ajja kubakobera ensonga lwaki tuli wano. So
a select committee of about 5 people batyama bakoba ati tulonde abantu abali eminent abajokolanga akaweke kakalidaali baide wano tuikirizagane nabo in principle nti Right Honorable Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga aje mu Central Executive Committee ya NRM. Abantu abo batyama bakati tunoniyeyo kwa abantu abataswika 10 tubagemye ensonga eno. Abantu abo batambuze ensonga eno bagitwalire banaibwe in preparation for the big statement of the launch of the candidature of Right Honorable Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga Busoga wano as the solo flower for Busoga as a land. Solo flower, the solo light. Tukungaine nga n'olwaleero nga mu nkumuliti y'abantu iwe oliga noti niwo walondeibwamu okuba omuntu alijja okumaamiza ensonga eno. Era ndi kwewuunya buli lwe ndikulinganga nga namba eri kuswika muje naye nze beewo nalinga ku chairman yagenda kati bano bona abeesa kati muna obwenzi obuli n'abantu bano ate nga buli positive balemerera bwakusigalayo bameka ng'oliga naye nga tibakwese otaganika mukono bawooli. Ndikwenda okubaaniriza olwaleero tiri kwenda kusimula itu lya chairman yaife ayendidiyano neisano eri ekitalo nga ndi sitting member of parliament nga nvwe bugabula nga ndikoba ntimbo ineku ate nga nabona kutaba muto omuntu atuukano okuba member ya Central Executive Committee nga niyenka ali kuwagirwa Busoga eno okuva eva paka yekoma ni Right Honorable Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga. Olwaleero luno we tuli kwogerera okuva idindagano okutuuka e Kampala tutambulira esaawa imeka kujjaamu aliwo imeka ife abali kuva e Kamuli okutuuka e Kampala twetaaga essaawa ndala na kitundu olwo olutindo olw'ekisimba single handedly Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga naye aluleeta Busoga ano bali balulire nga balumunie nga balunanie nga balubegeite nga luzirawo yata Eliani oyo muyinza obutamukubira mu ngalo ndi kwogera ku muntu at a time of her greatest weakness of health baleeta iteeka mu parliament nga the late Jacob Oulanyah Mukama mu ekiwumula ekyemirembe naye yali presiding over parliament ku olwo nga bali kujja okubisa cities and municipalities eyeiganga yali eziraku eyekamuli yali eziraku ye kakanula ni kanula ku mukono yakoba ati mutatta kiteese ekyo ku floor ya parliament mwizeeyo olupapula olwo njo okutuuka nga mutaire ku kamuli nga mutaire ku iganga nga mutaire ku Nibugiri. Which other sub-region eri municipalities eisatu ni city nzenge mwensoni okwogera ku Rebecca alitwala Kadaga. When I was in Makerere, I'm a statesman from the North Coast state and proudly so. Batu kunganga nga tusome Makerere nga bamemba babasoga nsete twani ne bus annually air parliament okwidde okwagira emirimu jona ejabanga mu Busoga Kingdom under the Kyabazinga nga the late wako Mlochi ni Kyabazinga. For all the years and the years before and the years after, Busoga Nsete was active in the affairs of the kingdom. Thanks be to Right Honorable Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga. After, I don't need to speak the story about the Kyabazinga of Busoga and what role she has played to have it today, where it stands. Chino Tichingemi Anthony. There is no way you can sever my king, His Royal Highness Gabula Nadiope, son of Kadumbula, the one in whom I am very proud. You cannot mention that name in the Kyabazinga minus the recognition of the efforts of Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga, Right Honorable. I proudly stand here as a loyal subject of the Kyabazinga of Busoga in a very beautiful outfit that I'm putting on now. I will repeat, I stand here proudly as a loyal servant of the Kyabazinga and a very ardent we cannot talk about Busoga Kingdom and don't talk about Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga. No. Oba munanfusi, oba mliaza amanya, oba musubayi, oba mubi. So, Chairman Yangi, ndikwenda kusima because you are the initiator of this initiative that we have today, together with your able team, together with the Busoga Consortium. My Director General, Mula Anthony, please come here for recognition. Allow me. The person inviting, I'll rally the people of Gabula North Constituency, I'll rally the people of Kamuli, I'll rally the people of Busoga, and I'll rally the people of Uganda to stand ably, strongly with the Right Honorable Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga for God and my country.
Alero ensonga erindala ya mukera waffe Alitwala Rebecca Kadaga. Tibwe kiri banange. Nenda kubasiima imwe mwena omwabise mu bululu era n'okubayozayoza nti yoga twekubire ku mungalo kubanga obululu ti bwangu okuwangula Kalunga Kabakero C1 owundi kamutwala ku ekibanda. Now imwe Basoga banaife omuli wano twenda kubakoba n'abazira wano ebigambo bitono nti ensonga lwaki Abasoga babalonze buli omu yali n'okuboneka nti tujja kulwanirira ekitiibwa kya Busoga. Ekitiibwa kya Busoga tikiri mu muntu wundi ni mukaira waife Alitwala Rebecca Kadaga. She is the brand of Busoga. Ekyo wazira kyakubuuza era egaba yawakana oyaba taidi history wa Busoga yakola ki yava. Wemba mulisa John aina ebigambo byayogeire ebiraga history wa mukaira waife contributions de both mu gavumenti mu bwakyabazinga ne mu mirimu gyonna gyakoze. N'olwekyo tuli wano okukola statement ndala nti buli omu kyali olwaleero niwo obanga tojja kuba delegate mu national conference olugendo lw'okunoonyeza mukaire waife akalulu tirwakukutuma aye kwetuma. Olwaido we nabaire ku Baba TV nabakobye nti nze ntandikire okwewa omulimu era ndikukunga bana Uganda mwena ye muli musobola okuboneka nti mulinga ku maama ife olwa ligase Jemwidi gyataire mu ggwanga Uganda mu kibiina kyaffe ky'NRM awamu ne mu gavumenti. So n'olwekyo nze ogwange sebonera kusiima muganda wange Brandon olw'omulimu gw'oli tukola mu ssaawa eno, kusiima chairman awamu ne Soga otadde nkaana ensonga tosobola kulekawo maama wo akubeereirewo okumala emyaka n'emyaka n'otandika okuwoza nti gwe wakabona doozi ne maama wo. So n'olwekyo twenda kukoba Basoga bali buli omu waali nti mutatuswaza nako tuleeta ku kire baganda kye baatuderegeramu era twenda twemerere walala tusobola okuboneka nti kunga akalulu era tusobola okutuuka ku buwanguzi. Ninze muzaale Martin omubaka akiikirira omuntu gwe tuli kwogerako Mama Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga era ninze sebo mwami kisa iwe okomalwa kukoba nti niwe omwami aye ninze gwako akalulu zenka kwima mwena omuli wano n'olwekyo munkubire mu ngalo kubanga ninze gwe
abakungu mwena mu biti eby'endalo nga mweteibwa. Ninze Bishop Frank Atabagendeka era nga ndi ssentebe wa LC5 Mayuge District. Awalalaawo nabanga ninze Governor wa Busoga Consortium for Development era olw'ekisa kya Katonda kayata abalonzi bange bende bansiimye kayi basiimye bantwale ku bwa Member of Parliament kitiibwa ennaku zo zibeere nnyingi. Without doubt Mama waife Dr. Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga wano mu Busoga kimanikwa Busoga efuuse kyefuuse lwa Mama waife butatulya mu lukwe lwa Mama waife kwemiranga mwesimbu lwa Mama waife kutubeererawo nga Busoga kiba kya bulyazaamaanya olw'obugaatigaati olw'obuswiti ife kabiri tulye mu Mama waife olukwe ekyo tetujja kukiikiriza wano e Busoga tikiida kubaawo. Nze nga Governor wa Busoga Consortium for Development awala ni team nga tebonda bajja kweyogerera ndi wano okwogera boldly nga ndi kwendoosinga Dr. Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga nti tumutwale era tumusembe aje kubwa ssentebe obwokubiri obwa Eastern obwa National NRM Secretariat abenga gwe tutaireyo ife ku national level second vice chairperson gwe tuli kwendoosinga wazira kuswala wazira kwekekamu ni Mama waife Dr. Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga abewo so nva waigulu ng'akoba nti Mama Alitwala Kadaga Rebecca juu mwebale n'okumpuliriza tumwendoosinge abeewo.
Ssentebe wa district e Namayingo ndowooza kuba ssentebe aba districts mu Busoga in service I'm the oldest nikola ekisanda kya kubiri and the third one is coming. Ndi wano okuva e Namayingo ng'era ekindeese is to be part of the team endorsing Mama Dakitari Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga. Omuvubi owa Lake Victoria ow'e Namayingo okufuna ku kamwenu is because of the voice of Right Honorable. That one cannot be erased. Nze ndi wale mbodaringa Kenya and Tanzania. Enkola yenungi etuyambye okuba nga saa eno tukolagana bulungi ino ni bannaife ab'e Kenya because of the good services of Mama. okufuna a very special ferry which has been the best in the wars, maybe maybe might take over. It was a Irobozire lyakola kinene ino namayingo okufuna the best ferry eri okuyamba abantu ab'okubizinga ebyenamayingo. Eirobozire lyakola kinene ino okuba ng'omuntu ow'enamayingo ye n'atambulako ku kolansi okuva emusita okutuuka enamayingo. So there are so many things that I can mention. So I am here with the delegation every Namayingo to make a declaration until we are supporting Mama Daktari Right Honorable Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga. I thank you.
Nziza wairowera biro bakobera nti wali governor wa Busoga Consortium. So chairman olukiiko so bishop ne timu yo bakulembeze banange mwena omuli wano mbayisamu ekitiibwa era mbalamuisa mayina lya Musengwa n'omwana n'omwoyo mwamufu. Today is such a special day. Nze n'olumu kuwona kwentono diti denemerereko ku muzindaalo okwogera ku eri ewantu. Ndikwenda akozesa bwangero ibiri donka anga nkali dikozesa mpeyo muzindaalo. Ekintu ekisooka tuli basogera tuli busoga aye ensonga gye tuliku eri national. Buli ayenda Uganda ayenda n'ebigirimu era ayenda obukulembeze gwe tuli kwogera ku olwaleero Dr. Right Honorable Alitwala Rebecca Kadaga n'abaire mu bukulembeze bw'ekibiina kyaffe kino ne bakitebenkeza ne bakulubaine era gwe tusuubirira erala nti leero asobola abakazimu omufumbirwa balo bw'alonda omwana nga wuwo n'atalonda amuwali kwawo okuba omusika kikusanula ino n'ekituleesegano tilwakubanga omukulembeze gwe tuli kwenda wabusoga bwonka. Aye ife tuli basanufu nti kabiri oyo waife yava wano atukoleire ebirungi n'agwanira kubanga era n'abaireku yabikola nga tubona ku bwa second national vice chairperson. Aye nga abasoga buli nkoko etandika kunywa amagi either mugisala omunwa oba musala yeeni kuba ebateka agasa mu kuzaala kwa nkoko edo. Bakulembeze banange mumpulire bw'oba mwayi netandika okunywa amagi eti pa either osala munwa oba yeene agisala kuba ebateka ayongerako. N'olwekyo abo abantu baife abatuviiremu nga Katonda yakiwa ekirabo eky'omuntu ategeerebwa era aweebwa ekitiibwa mu bukulembeze Right Honorable Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga. Mwolwa ebintu ebitono bityo oba obusungu batuvaamu aboona eminwa oba okubaboola tubaboole because tuli wano Katonda atuwaire omukisa tutagusuula. Abazairemu omuzaala abalongo abakazi muwali kwawo bwazaaleirwe ngo iwe nibwokina n'ofuula n'omutwe oti tekikufuula n'abirye mwene niga abagoloire amagulu wale iwe n'okina ne bajoobuuza n'abirye n'ola atyaime wale. So omwana wa muwali kwawo takufuula n'abirye ife waife gwe tuli kolwa leero ne Right Honorable Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga. Mutafa kubagiire batono. Katonda yatonda ensi yalekula omwana we Yesu Kristo yaida mu nsi muno atununule ayagana ne Lucifer Sutaani okwida gano olw'okubanga n'akajja okuba akapimo akabayikiririza mu mwana we n'abo abadde alimyemu bano atulaga we tubita n'okubala tuli bameka aye batatutiisa wabula tulina obusobozi obw'okubeeta bayire eka bw'abaawo obuniivu bwona ensi idwire okutabuka aye tulina okwekunganya ng'abakulembeze tutereere. Bana nenda okubasiima saba bishop ne tiimu yomwebala okumpa juu NRM juu Museveni juu Kadaga oye basiime mwebale kwida Katonda alonda abakulembeze aida akolera mama waife ngira nga bwaide tagikola twongere okumuba einuma we kuba tukaali asimba ku muntu. Ninze mugude Charles Maxwell Kuwembula, Isentebe wa Kamuli District. Mbeyanziza mwabalirala.